So you have to see this. Wait, there's full-on crocs here. There's orange monkeys. Look, he's right in the tree. It looks a little bit like something familiar, doesn't it? Or today we are going on a crocodile jungle sunset boat tour. We got a private boat. It looks like we're gonna have to be wearing a vest, which is not much of my outfit, but that's fine.
What's that? Babe, what's happening?
Okay, there's monkeys, but there's orange monkeys. Look, he's right in the tree just chilling with his hand up.
I'm going to try and zoom in.
They're the one with long nose.
He's moving. Oh, he's gone.
Oh,
they're long nose.
Wait, there's full-on crocs here.
This is the big one, right?
Yeah, look at him.
I think this is a big one. Let's see if we can get any place. There he is. Right. Guys, that is crocodile right in the middle. Oh, it's just gone down. That is a crocodile. Okay, we've seen 2 more crocodiles now. There he is. Oh yeah, now I can see him. He's a beauty. I think he's going for the kill. He's going to get it.
Just want a scapegoat. I just tried to fit in. You've got to beg just to get in like the fights, the lies. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get out of the ones. They tell me I look good.
Reach your head.
Yeah, I got him, I got him. The whole family, one's climbing out. His nose is so funny.
Have you got a shot to show us on him?
How'd you go back? How funny his nose is.
It looks a little bit like something familiar, doesn't it? Or
maybe. Did it?
Ooh.
So cool, aren't they? They got like the biggest noses. They look like little humans and little fat bellies.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way.
10 to 13,000 people live here.
So these are water villages, and you have schools, you have gyms, you have shopping centres. There's just entire villages on stilts. There's a fire station right here,
Fire station.
and like here you see behind, it's just the people's houses. And sometimes there's many generations in one house, right? So multiple generations, because the houses are big. We're just going past the school, and you can either take your family's boat or the school boat. How cool to go to school with your school boat.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did
You're
you
right.
manage to be who you
Careful. It's cool, isn't it? Saw crocs, saw monkeys, water villages, saw everything. What did you think?
I've still got my jacket on. I'm so hot, it's sweaty. Oh, so cool though, all the water village. I didn't know. So they do crocodile catching, they do firefly, night tour, they do like loads of tours. But we've only got enough time for one tour, and that was well cool. It was really cool. In the background, you've got the mosque. We're going to go there in a few days' time.
Yeah.
But now we are off to get, you know what? Food.
Guys, have you ever had a barbecued coconut?
No.
How random!
How cool.
So it's still white. Oh my god, it's boiling. It's boiling. Yeah, look. Do you see it moving? Yeah.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's good. Really good. Thoughts?
Really good.
Really good. Or your mic.
Yes.
Oh, half each, half. I'm going to do a Mark Twings.
Yeah, go on. Mark Wings.
Mark Wings, sorry.